Wellhub Gympass app review. If you want to stay fit but struggle to find the right gym or class, Wellhub, formerly Gympass, is here to help. Most people get this wrong by joining a single gym and limiting themselves, but the surprising truth is, Wellhub offers flexible access to thousands of fitness centres, studios, and online classes all in one app. When you open Wellhub, you can browse local gyms, fitness studios, and wellness programs. Whether you're into yoga, height, Pilates, or strength training, the app lets you book sessions directly from your phone. It also integrates with your schedule, so you can plan workouts around your day. One standout feature is its versatility. You can attend in-person classes or access online workouts from anywhere. This flexibility makes it easier to stick to your fitness goals, whether you travel frequently or prefer home workouts. Wellhub also tracks your progress. You can log workouts, monitor calories burned, and earn achievements for consistency. Personalized recommendations suggest classes based on your interests, skill level, and location, helping you discover new activities without wasting time. Additionally, the app provides health and wellness resources, including nutrition tips, guided meditations, and lifestyle insights. This holistic approach goes beyond just exercise, making it a complete fitness companion. In conclusion, Wellhub Gympass is more than just a gym finder. With access to thousands of facilities, online classes, progress tracking, and wellness resources, it empowers you to achieve your fitness goals efficiently and enjoyably. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, Wellhub makes staying active flexible and convenient.